goodness. The wind has blown all the leaves on the beans, and some of them look like they're broken. First, the heat was trying its best to destroy the garden. We survived that. And now the wind is doing a number on my leafy greens. It breaks the leaves. The wind just, the leaves just snap and break. This one happened. I saw that this morning. And it's breaking leaves off of the beans also. They just started growing when the weather cooled down. Everything was stunted. It wasn't growing at all. Then when the weather cooled down, everything just shot up and started growing like crazy. But now the wind is tearing up everything. This is broken. Oh my goodness. A gardener's work is never done, but by his hand we all are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread.